Hello everyone, welcome to Amiverse. So today is very special day of my life because today is first day of my college, basically orientation day, and also this is the very first long form video I will be posting on my channel, and I am so curious about this day and little bit excited to know how this day turns out. And this is very strange and different feel. I hope that people can relate who will be going to college and who have already been through this journey to from school to college. And I hope this day goes well, and now I will be getting ready to head to college, and also to see what happens in orientation day. And also in my college, orientation day is called as induction. They have whole full form of induction. So today's chief guest will be Aman Gupta, co-founder of Boat, you guys know. So yeah, let's head to our college after getting ready. So I'm back from college, and by the way, this is the second day of my college. I didn't shoot any video yesterday because I was so tired, and like it was my first day of college. It was so tiring. I went back home, I changed, and I went to sleep. So today is the second day. I went to college, I came back again. So let me tell you the story of both the days. So let me tell you about first day. So we went, they welcomed us. First of all, they welcomed, and then they started the program with the introductions and meeting new freshers, obviously, and started with speech. And then after some time only, Aman Gupta came. They welcomed him, and like the moment he came, I was so happy. And whatever about his life, it was so inspiring. I loved it, and like I loved whatever he told about himself. That they had first singing program in the starting only, and which was done by a fresher. She sang so well, like, and after that there were dance program. When the Aman Gupta went, like so they gave us 10 minutes break, and people started moving from their chairs from auditorium to just to roam around after the auditorium. And I was sitting at my place only because it was like 10 minutes of break, and it was so sunny out of auditorium, and I was like, I'm happy here only. It is humid here. The humidity was on top. So I was like, it's better to stay here only to. And after that we got the refreshments. We ate that, and after that program started. The faculty were giving different speeches about their their expertise. And after that, in the end, they had like people get bored of them. It was the program was so good, but उनको इतना लंबा नहीं खींचना चाहिए था कि लोग बोर होके चले जाएं. And people were leaving the auditorium, like they were bored and they were tired. I was there till the end. I was like, I have to see the full program. It is my first day. It was first day of many people, but I don't know, they left, and I was watch the whole program, how it will be till the end. So I was there, I was sitting, I was watching the program, and in between they gave us 30 minutes break. So in that 30 minutes break, our assistant professor took us to the library. And to the department, our building, where we will be studying, okay, for the next 3-4 years. So in that 30 minutes, we went to our department, we went to library, 2 subject books are kept, and then after that we went to our department. It was like normal department in normal building, and we met our dean, we met HOD, and they both were so beautiful, and obviously HOD was so cute. We talked to her. We were only something 7 or 8 girls there, or 2 boys, because other people were vanished. I don't know where they were. We just so we only went to visit both of these things. So we went to her office, we talked. So we took break more than 30 minutes, and then after 30 minutes we went to the auditorium, and the program were going on there. There were dance, there was speech, there were dance, there was speech, and let me tell you, so in the end they had wonderful programs. They had wonderful programs in the end. It was like, I was like, why they have kept all these things in the end? People have already left the auditorium, and I was like, okay, I'm here. Let's see. So there was the first band program. Oh my god, the band program was so lit. And after that, there were 4 or 5 singing programs. They were also so good, so I loved it, and it was like worth it. It was worth it to stay in that humidity, to sit there till the end. It was worth it. I'll tell you what happened today. So today was just it was like training session today we had in our department, in our building only. So it was very basic training session in which he told us about the main motto, main things we have to do in college. The main, for the main motto, you should go to college. You should make it worth it to go college. Not just the studies, not just the degree, the other things which matters a lot in your college life. So he was like 100% right on those things, according to me. And though it was very boring, but it's his duty to do that things. So three teachers came from performing arts department, and 2 teachers sang songs. I will attach those. And sir, the mainly, when sir started singing, I had his voice was so miraculous. It was so amazing.
दर्द के अंधेरों से आ गई इश्क के चरागों का नूर है। दर्द के अंधेरों में आग में इश्क के चरागों का।
Whatever the best part happened yesterday and today, I'm just adding so, because I can't express my feelings besides adding so in every, sang so beautifully, and I was just speechless. So after that we went to auditorium. There were our second session, which was about their app, in which they were telling about their app, in which we can do anything like related to fees, related to sports, related to vehicle, related to like whether we have to go with bus or anything, telling all the functions about their app there. And after that, I don't know why they keep all the good programs in the end. Today also they kept last dance in the end, and this thing that I was like, oh my god, I'm in college. And that was kind of reality check I got. I was like, in morning I was feeling like that, like going to college from school, and now that time when I was sitting there, I got that reality check that there's no going back from this. Like, there will be no life of school from now, there will be no life of less tension from now. It's like, in a good way I'm saying, it's like now it will be all about career, future, shaping our lives and all. And I was like, what am I? I'm sitting in college, I am attending my orientation day in this auditorium, and I'm that time. But it was like kind of reality check that I will not, that my before life will never come back now. Yeah. So if there's anyone going to college, have you ever felt like, have you felt anything like this? Let me know in the comment section. And any new, college going student this year, the any fresher is there who is watching my video, please comment down how you felt on your first day of college. Or anyone, like, just tell me how you felt on your first day of college. I'm gonna miss the life I had in school, like whatever it was. And the feeling of school, like feeling of school is very different from feeling of college, I know that. And I also know that after some time, after 1 year or a half in a year or half bored of college, and I will feel like this is school only. And but it's like I will meet all adults from now. In school it was like everyone was small, and then teenage and all, and now I'll meet as a seniors, and like all people are adult, all are above 18, all. And yeah, so it is also a different feeling. In the end, they were all valuable, they were all admirable, and their voices, their dance, their moves, and the beat they were picking up, everything was fabulous. And I have no words for that sir. I don't remember his name. And no words for the band. I'm speechless. And I guess it's a good starting of my college, I guess. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, as this is the first vlog on this channel, and more will be coming. Thank you for watching my first vlog. It's just the beginning. I'm so excited to share more vlogs with you guys. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And let's see you in the next one.
If only for tonight, I'm gonna